Moving on swiftly with this evening's program, the next person who is going to take charge is the founder of the Brahma Vidya Pritam International. His natural disposition led him to his mission in life, that of promoting happiness and the elevation of the social and spiritual aspect of mankind. This was evident even as a child, and he was nourished and nurtured by his parents to follow the spiritual path. He was inspired by great Swamis and sages such as Swami Vivekananda and Swami Ramakrishna Paramanansa. Our founder has traveled around the globe spreading his message of divine consciousness. He has written several books. He has organized several international Hindu conferences, and we are very honored, proud, and privileged to have him here with us as the leader and the founder of the Brahma Vidya Pritam International. Let us welcome to address you all this evening, Param Pujya Gurudev Shri Swami Brahma Sarupananda Ji.
My many pranam in the feet of His Holiness and Juna Akhada Pithadhishwar Acharya Swami Avadhesanand Ji, my pranam. My blessings to Ananda Ji. Today he received the new name of sannyas. Swamiji will declare the new name, new dress, new mantra, a new life she started. And here my many friends, they love Ananda and respect to me also. Raj Yadav, president of BHP, his wife Satiji, my dearest, and Dr. Linda Babulal. She inspired Ananda, take a sannyas, learn the all holy books, but take the academic degree. On her inspiration, Ananda has taken the MA philosophy from the India, Banaras Hindu universities. She has given the degree in honor in the here. So many thanks, madam, to you. Now she is going to PhD in philosophy in the Banaras Hindu universities also. And even my Sinaji, always helping Sinaji, very, my lawyer, attorney, advocate. Hindu Swayam Sevak Sangh, Dirup and Mr. Dukhi, and everybody is here to watching what is going on. And they always inspiring us. Suraj Rambachanji, always coming every 2 weeks. Swamiji do this, Swamiji do that, because his area is parliament member of this area. His responsibility to protect and secure my life. And I also inspire him. He came with the whole family here, attending as there. My Krishnaji, and with wife, you went in India. How you are doing the helping with Ramesh Maharaji, president of Dattatreya. Bahanji, first time I enjoy your music, I told, your tone of music, tune of music, and temper of your mood, I enjoy. Okay, very nice. Please, when you have the time, you are busy in the West Indies University, but time to time, come here, inspire us. Because in this world, we become dry. Because this world is a not so happy place in Buddha world. But music is making the soft heart and good mind. So please, time to time, you are great work, better than sannyasi also. So don't worry. Okay. Sannyasi is the great. Sannyasi is great. Through the sannyas also all music sare gama padhani sa comes. My dear brothers and sisters, all the devotee of Swamiji. Swamiji's study, he presented the importance and greatness of sannyas. Why is sannyas so important? Because if the good people, ideal people, will move on this planet, Mother Earth, then this earth will be more beautiful. Other planet has life or not, that is under research. But this planet is alive with life and breath. So please, it is our duty to protect this Mother Earth. Sannyasi, he is the blossoming, complete blossoming flower of this earth. With the ideal, with the consciousness, with the awareness, he is searching the goodness in each and every beings and materials in this, on this earth. He is not thinking negative against anybody. If anybody fell down, suddenly you hold the hand, please stand up, start your journey. If anybody has tears, wipe out, a smile like a flower. If anybody disappointed with the failure, giving courage, don't worry. My prayer is behind you. God is in front of you. Stand up. Stand up. This solace, this confidence, this love, inspiration, that is coming from the bottom of the heart of the sannyasi and yogi and sadhu. This, due to this, divine soul is moving country to country, continent to continent, community to community. So they don't need anything. They have food. Before sannyasi was in forest and cave, and king of the nation and royal family was looking. But now all sadhu depend on own feet. They collecting on food, and this, after that, they're doing japa, meditation, and prayer for the whole world, welfare of the whole world, Jagat Mangalam, they are doing. So, my dear brothers, it is my thinking, my 72-year age essence, experience I'm giving, if the sannyasi will be more in good number on this earth, then heaven will come on this earth. Otherwise, criminality and killing and kidnapping and all this corruption, all this will grow, will grow. So it is my aim, after discussion of the Gurudev Ji, how the good quality of sannyasi will grow on this earth. For this purpose, I trained up from 3-year age up till now. Now this learn the knowledge. 17 countries, Japan, Israel, China, Moscow, Europe, she moving with me and looking how the whole world is crying with the tears to searching the peace and bliss and love. She realized. One day I asked, you are not interested in marriage? Who did marriage? They are not happy. Why you are putting me in the Mayajal, in the network of the Mayajal? So she has taken the decision to take in the holy path, divine path, path of the gods. Good's work is a God's work. So she is going toward the God. But some umbrella necessary. Some support is necessary. Some assistance is necessary. I was giving, but I felt, no, I am not enough. So due to this, I call. On my call, Swamiji came here. And then 2 days after giving the Diksha, I was telling, she is my daughter. I became happy. My responsibilities he has taken, so I am light. I still light. But I am searching the other girl, can trained up, teach and preach, educate, and make the sannyasis. My dear brother, many young blood, boy and girl is here. If anybody want to give life, dedicate the life, surrender the life for the great purpose of this universe, sannyas, so I am ready to welcome to everybody's, okay? I think many people ringing, but their doubts, will take sannyas or not, take sannyas or not, take a sannyas or not. But I am thinking, if his desire, his will be behind you, you are bound to take sannyas for everybody, not necessary. Very few flower is necessary here. Few star is necessary. Twinkle, twinkle, little star I am searching. Who can distribute the fragrance of the sannyas smell in the whole world? Well, that is my word. I am praying to Swamiji, please give me courage also. Give your inspiration. I can be successful in this purpose. Okay, Swamiji, please, clapping, he accepted me also. Okay. So, my dear brother and sister, Okaji always coming. Baba, my house, my building is free. I'm alone in the forest, in mountain. Come, start the teaching, yoga, bhajan, kirtan. Okay. I am so busy without business, okay? No, any busy. But I want to give the time. I heard sannyasi, I'm not going marriage ceremony, no cremation ground, and not any other program. Now, slowly, I stopped going in the birth party and this party because for me, that is misuse my time and energy. So, my dear brother, many people complaining, Swami is not coming. No, I'm not going Guru Mantra. I make the list. 1,200 people has given the name to Guru Mantra, take the Guru Mantra. It is my request, Swamiji, next time you come, give the Guru Mantra to everybody. Okay. Take the Guru Mantra, give the Guru Mantra. Is it not easy? For me, not easy. Many people coming to ask in the future. Future is in your hand, not in hand of sadhu. Okay? Only blessing can give you. Don't give to ask about future. I was Pandit then, was interesting because some money was necessary. But money also not necessary. What I need, God is giving. Or if God is not giving, my Gurudev ji will send the money, food and clothes. So no problem. So I'm not interested in all these things. Ananda, now 2 days more. Now you have taken a great burden on your shoulder. Not burden of your life. Burden of the preaching and teaching of Gurudev ji. Preaching and teaching and guidance of Ashok ji. And preaching and teaching of the whole society. Society is waiting. Maybe 100% they will not accept, but always you accept 100% to everybody. Maybe they are enemy, they are opposite, they are ignorant after that. I'm very happy in this gathering. Many intellectual people and thinkers, they are here. And this small village, Kartal village, they are farmer more, labor more. But here I'm looking the face, how the intellectual faces is here. And then I'm requesting you, please, anything you need, we need any day. One day I'm telling, here I came after 6 months from India, no rice, no dal, here in the ashram. Suddenly Pandit Rabindranath and Pandit Vigyan, without asking, and has put in my ashram everything. that situation, I'm looking that. Who is calling for lecture? And then they are giving ticket. I'm going, not giving ticket, so now going. Now in the July, my program, end of the July, in Greece, then Japan, and then Holland, 15 days Yagya. People giving ticket will go. But now I'm going to stop to give the lecture. Ananda will give on my behalf the lecture. A flower of the Trinidad Tobago is going to propagate, distribute the smell of the whole world. Please give blessing her. I will. Now the last. Last is it. Why sannyas is so important? One day in front of my Indian High Commissioner, I was talking. I didn't complete that. Just, I want your attention. Walk along with me in the thought. And then, why sannyasi is necessary? One point. One point is, many thought, they are struggling at present, many thoughts. Mind is confused. Crisis of faith at that time. People not thinking what is right and what is wrong. Only one point I will tell. That is point one. Great philosopher, all of intellectual. Great philosopher. He came on this earth to change the world. He divided the whole world, two groups. Have group and have not group. Have group means rich people. Have not group means poor people. Poor and rich people. That is a father of communism, Marx and Engels. He has given. But in spiritually, all belong to have not group. Rich people has money and cloth and house, but they have no love and compassion and for everybody's. They have good food, but no power of digestion. Have not group. They have good bed, but they have no sleeping. Without pills they are sleeping. They have not group also. Spiritually telling everybody belong to have not group. Have not group. So he told man is a economical being. Only food want, cloth want. That was wrong due to the communism faith. That is a strong flow of the thoughts of the Marx. Govern, capture, cover the whole world. And one time 40% of the nation under these things. Why sannyas is necessary? Second thought came, Freud, different country, different pronunciations, father of psychology. He told, hey, man is a sensual being. He wants to sensuality, enjoy these sense organs. He wants to pleasure. He wants enjoyment. But they are not thinking about the bliss and peace and love. But that also wrong. Due to the free sensuality has come in the whole world. Third thought came. That is a Darwin evolution. He told, man is a progressive animal. All are animal. As one religion declare, all are sinners. Messenger coming to take your sin, that is totally wrong. Vivekananda declare, this statement is a dishonor the dignity of the humanity. Progressive animal. So what sannyas is telling? Sannyas telling, no. No, man is a not economical being. Man is a not sensual being. Man is a not progressive animal. Man is what? Man is a spiritual being, a spark of divinity. Spark of divinity. But statement is not necessary. How to realize in life? how to go in your heart and mind. I with the third eye will see कि I am a spark of the divinity. Mind is potentially divine. Potentially divine. Through the sannyas, it is the aim and goal how this divinity will enter in my life, in my walk, each and every walk of the life. And then, if the divinity will come, eyes will be musical eye. Will see it on you, then to you, and you will feel the pure eye, Buddha eye, Ramakrishna Paramhans, innocent eyes is coming through this sadhu. And musical ear, all sound will be seen. Musical tongue, and then anybody listen your voice, they will change, bound to go for transformation. Through the divine consciousness, potentially divine, and then your aura, eyes, life. Swamiji has given sannyas and mundan sanskara. I felt whole aura of the Ananda change. When the inside changes will come, then we'll see what will be that. My dear father, today, that is one point is another. Why sannyas is necessary? What is the duty of sannyas? How to follow the sannyas? Then other 2 days more we'll discuss one by one. And so I am going to here to take the full stop because I like you, and further program also. Some speaker is here and they will come, but I want to listen my Swamiji's blessing. Okay? Om Purnamada Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnamevavashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Om. Boliye Sri Gurudev Maharaj ki. Please loudly then. This sound go to, I told India and then White House, okay? And your parliament also. They are nobody listening there anything. So, okay? Okay. Boliye Shankar Bhagwan ki. Please both hand toward the sky, okay? Then oxygen will come in the heart, in the lungs will be powerful. Yeah. Boliye Bajrang ki. Yeah, this is the sound. But 80% people did, not 100%. Last, yeah. Boliye Sri Durga Mata ki. Yeah, not 100%, 200%. Okay. Okay. Hari Om Shanti.